Vitamins are like the unsung heroes of our bodies, quietly working behind the scenes to keep us up and running. There are 13 essential vitamins, split into two squads, the fat-soluble crew and the water-soluble gang. Each vitamin has its own superpower, from boosting our immunity, thanks, vitamin C, to keeping our bones strong, shout out to vitamin D. But where do we find these vitamin powerhouses? Well, you can get your dose of vitamin A from carrots, vitamin C from oranges, and vitamin E from nuts and seeds. And let's not forget about the B-complex vitamins, found in whole grains, meat, and dairy products. It's like a treasure hunt for your health. Now, here's the plot twist. Too much or too little of these vitamins can throw our bodies off balance. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to weak bones, while an excess of vitamin A can cause some serious problems. It's all about finding that sweet spot and maintaining a balanced diet. So, next time you're munching on your favorite foods, remember that vitamins are the real MVPs, working tirelessly to keep you feeling your best. Keep them in mind, and your body will thank you for it.